Hello everybody, my name is Charlie Assad and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Yeah! Okay. Step. Oh shit! 3, 2, 1. Ah! Located in the commercial La Fortuna, right in downtown. Oh
my god!
Vamos.
You got this thing?
No!
Run and jump.
Here we go! Oh yes, today we are kayaking in Lake Arenal. What up, homie? What's good? Hey look, it's Black Sand Beach. Whew. First night ever sleeping in a bunk room. We're going to Panama? Whoa! I'm in Boca! What the f? We're about to hike Volcan Baru, the highest point in Panama, at night.
This is Santa Catalina.
Oh, come on, please. Come on, please, God. Oh my God. Another warm, sunny day out here in Cabo San Lucas. Smells like candy. Yeah! Yes. I dreamt of being self-employed and traveling the world, and now I am. Still, it wasn't until I went to Southeast Asia in 2018 with my friends Matt Sally and Nick Gorman that I was able to establish any sort of vision for a channel like this one. That real aha moment was when I was at Ronnie's Organic Coconut Garden on the island of Koh Chang, Thailand, where Ronnie introduced me to vloggers like Mark Waynes, Lost LeBlanc, and Kate and Nate. Those incredible creators planted a seed in my mind. And ever since then, I have been making strides to get to this point. Apparently we're riding a boat as a part of this shuttle. With nothing but possibilities in mind, I have been reading, writing, studying, observing, all while buying laptops, drones, and cameras. And after 4 months of traveling through Costa Rica, Panama, and Mexico, it's time to zoom out and show you the world through my eyes. I want to change how you travel and how you engage with all that nature has to offer. I want to encourage all of us to go to more interesting places. Places more interesting than Las Vegas. To take more risks. To meet more people. Like my 2 hostel mates from Germany, Louis and Giannis. Or the Slovakian crew. To try an even wider variety of foods. Is that banzeo? Hiya. Oh yes, this is the best breakfast. We got shakshuka.
No, wait.
And to lead a physically active lifestyle. I want to go to Israel, and I want you to feel a percentage of what I feel when I go to see my family.
Charlie,
What?
you don't have oil.
We're missing oil? Well, then give me some oil. Oh yeah. Oh, babe. I want to take you guys on a 50-mile run through the pain. The only thing that's struggling is my lungs. And through all of the excitement and the ups and downs of it all. We're almost at the top. We've been hiking for 6 hours. If I am patient, I know that somehow, some way, that can be done. Through these travel adventures, I want to show people what is made possible through travel. The awe-inspiring moments. The habits, the ideas, and the mechanisms for profound growth along the way. We've been walking through the streets of Colón Bocas, trying to find a proper hostel. How we facilitate success despite negative outcomes. This passport is coming apart. Those are not two different pages, that's the same page. So really, I don't deserve to fly. And lastly, how and why we take extreme ownership of our lives. To step out of the comfort zone and into the unknown. It is time for the first night tour of my life. That sums it up. This channel is ready to take flight. You can tune in every Wednesday as we begin to explore an 85-day trip through Latin America, beginning with episode 1, the Monteverde Cloud Forest and the Selvatura Park Hanging Bridges. See you next week. Yeah, it's pretty